Here it is, you guys. Okay guys, as the title says, new wheels for the Galant. FD wheels. They are the lighter ones. I do have 20 millimeter wheel spacers on them. I've already filled it up with transmission fluid. The diff is good, and I can't remember if I showed you guys this part in the last video. This is the output shaft for the transfer case. I broke it. So, yeah, that one's gone. Going back to the older transmission, I had to go back to the original transfer case that I've used pretty much the entire life of owning this car. But as of now, I don't think I need to shave down the rear lower control arms like a lot of people say you have to. I think with the 20 millimeter wheel spacers, there's enough room to get by. But the fitment looks freaking awesome. These are just tires just to get by for now. Dunlap 225/50. These are much lighter than the Evo 10 wheels, and these are my rim of choice for slicks. But for right now, it's just for me to move it around and maybe take it for a drive if I want to. But it looks pretty good. So I've already started it. I've got the clutch adjustment's already done, the cable. I just got to tighten up the little nuts. Other than that, I think I'm not sure where the camera died, but I'm just gonna keep going. Throw these wheels on, tighten up the clutch cables, and move it out of the garage. The sad day is coming for the Sentra, guys. I gotta pull all the good parts out of it. Shell is sold, but we'll get to that in the next video. Let me go ahead and finish up the Galant. Okay, ready to fire it up. Get out of the garage here shortly. Actually, let me tighten up all the... Let me retorque all the wheels again. Okay, now it should be ready to start up. I'm sweating my chaps off. It's hot in Arizona, guys. Well, there it is, guys. Drove it around the block. Felt okay. I feel like the clutch adjustment's a little weird on it. I don't know if I'll ever get that right, but I'm afraid to drive it and break it. But back on the road, out of the garage. Now it's time to rip into the Sentra. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Hope you guys like, subscribe, share. Take a look at the garage. The space is going to be cleared up. to start working on that guy. So yeah, let's go ahead and get everything rocking, get the Sentra out, but the Galant is back, guys. More content to come on the Vr-4. Thanks, guys.